Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Lana dress, which is near her. So select it. Well, and it's going to like show question marks. I already did the challenge, so I already have it. I'm going to go up here. Whoops. And can I climb there? You need to climb to like at the very top. Why can't I climb it? Okay, sorry. I'm the worst. Okay. Here you can see this user ID, and you're just going to basically go to that user. So let's just leave dress to impress first. This is a separate like obby. Paste it. Well, I typed it already. Go to people and select Lana does nails. Then view full profile. And then you're going to basically play the forest game one. I'm not going to do the full walkthrough because this game makes me so dizzy. Like, I actually wanted to like throw up when I played this game. But like, I guess I'll try following people and like seeing how well this goes. But you basically want to follow people or do this with friends. Someone showed me a shortcut, but I honestly don't remember where it was. And then after you like fully have gone to the like place where the like circles are, it's going to take you to a maze. So when you're in that maze, all you have to do is you're just going to follow Lana's pictures. They're everywhere, so you're going to do that. And then once you're done with that, I'm just gonna follow this group. Once you're done, it's going to take you here. See, there's like a 3 out of 4. You'll need 4 people to be in that circle, and it's going to teleport you into a maze. So I'm just going to wait here. And okay, it's going to take a long time to spawn again, I think. So basically, once you go to the other portal here, there is like 3 places, 4 actually, that you need to step on. And it's going to take you into the Lana maze. Now here, you need to follow the paintings, and it's going to bring you to the place. There, you have a light here, but it's a little bit hard. Here, I'll show you the painting before I'm done. There's also like Lana doppelgangers that will kill you, so be careful in this game. Just jump around and make sure you're not the one at the very front. Here are the paintings that you want to follow. Again, I'm not going to do the full walkthrough because I get dizzy playing this game. And that is pretty much how you can earn the Lana dress at the end. I'm just going to quit this game though because, again, dizzy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.